Welcome to NCERT material. Class 8 Maths. Roman numerals. Let's begin. The symbols used in ancient Rome to write numbers are called Roman numerals. And guess what? We still use them today. On clock faces, in book chapters, and even in the names of kings and queens. Here are the 7 basic symbols. I is 1. V is 5. X is 10. L is 50. C is 100. D is 500. And M is 1000. Be very careful in the exam. D is 500, not 1000. Here's a fun memory trick. India values xylophones. Lions can dance merrily. Now, the rules to remember. Rule 1. A symbol written after a greater symbol is added. For example, VI. That's 5 plus 1, which is 6. Rule 2. A symbol written before a greater symbol is subtracted. For example, IV. That's 5 minus 1, which is 4. Position matters. Rule 3. A symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So II is 3 and XXX is 30. Both correct. Rule 4 is about subtraction. Only I can be subtracted from V and X. Only X can be subtracted from L and C. And only C can be subtracted from D and M. Question 1. Write the following Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numerals. 9 is 10 minus 1, so we write IX. 14 is 10 plus 4, XIV. And 29 is 20 plus 9, XXIX. Careful here. 29 is XXIX, not XXIV. XXIV is 24. This is a very common mistake. Next, 44. Break it up. 40 is 50 minus 10, XL. And 4 is 5 minus 1, IV. Together XLIV. And 99? 90 is 100 minus 10, XC. 9 is IX. So 99 is XCIX. The trick is to break the number into tens and ones and convert each part. Question 2. Now the reverse. Write the Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. XI is 10 plus 1, 11. XXIV is 10 plus 10 plus 4, 24. And XL? Here X comes before L, so we subtract. 50 minus 10, 40. Remember, smaller after greater means add. Smaller before greater means subtract. Do more. LXXX is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That's 80. And CIX? Look carefully. The IX at the end is one group, meaning 9. Added to C, 100. So CIX is 109. Question 3. Find the value of each. First, XX plus VI. That's 20 plus 6, 26. Next, L minus XXVII. 50 minus 27, 23. Then, C minus LVI. 100 minus 56, 44. And finally, X times IV. 10 times 4, 40. Invert to Hindu Arabic first, then calculate. Question 4. Arrange in ascending order, smallest to greatest. First, convert each one. XIV is 14. XIX is 19. IX is 9. XX is 20. And XVI is 16. Now arrange from smallest to greatest. 9, 14, 16, 19, 20. So the answer is IX, XIV, XVI, XIX, XX. Question 5. Arrange in descending order, greatest to smallest. Invert first. XLII is 42. XXIX is 29. XL is 40. XXI is 21. And XXXIV is 34. Greatest to smallest gives us 42, 40, 34, 29, 21. So the answer is XLII, XL, XXXIV, XXIX, XXI. Here are the golden tips to remember. Always read from left to right. Add when the smaller symbol comes after the greater one. Subtract when the smaller symbol comes before the greater one. And remember, I, X, and C are the only symbols used for subtraction. Let's recap. 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. A symbol after a greater one is added. Before a greater one, subtracted. Never repeat a symbol more than 3 times. And only I, X, and C are used for subtraction. That's all for today. If this video helped you, do like, share, and subscribe to NCERT material. Happy learning, and see you in the next video!